Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can resize your images in Canva. Well, basically here, there's two ways to resize an image in Canva. The first way is one-click resize of the canvas. The second one is the manual resize method. So we're going to use the method one, which is one-click resize. So as you can see, I have here 500 by 500 size Canva. So if you're going to select any of the image here, so drag it from this canvas, you can see here. Now to resize this one, we're going to click on the magic switch right there at the top left of your screen. But remember, you can use this feature if you are subscribed into Canva Pro. So I recommend you to subscribe to Canva Pro to basically use this feature. So here in Magic Switch, you will find this resize option. So click on see all and you'll find here different sizes that you can choose from. So for example, if you want Facebook cover, documents, or mobile video. So in this case, I'm going to select Instagram story. So it's like 1080 by 920p. So we're going to click on continue button right here at the bottom. And as you can see, we have the preview option where you can see the resize image. So as you can see here, we have copy and resize and also resize this image. Now, I'm going to select another size here. For example, presentation. So here is 1920 by 1080p. So basically, you have two options here, copy and resize this design. So I'm going to copy and resize. So as you can see here, you just need to wait for a few seconds and then we're going to open that presentation right from here. So we have just resized this image from 500 by 500p to 1920 to 1080p. So from here, you can just select any of the image that or photo that you want to add on Canva. You just need to go to elements and find the photo here. Now the second method is by manually resize your image. So the most obvious and intuitive way to resize an image is to do it manually by dragging its corners. So this is the suitable way if you don't need to conform to a format or aspect ratio. So you can add an image to Canva by just clicking the photo stub and dragging an image into canvas. So like this, for example. Now you can just click on the image. You'll see here. So if you want to resize the image vertically or horizontally, you can do that with the sides. So to resize in both dimensions, you can do so by dragging one of the corners. So as you can see on your screen, we have just resized this image on Canva with this preferred size. So if you have the free version of Canva, this is the only method for resizing an image. So if you're using the Canva Pro, well, basically you can use that magic switch. So that's it. That's how we basically resize an images in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.